In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your Epson Stylus Photo R1900 series printer on your Windows, Linux, or Mac OS laptop, tablet, or desktop PC. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson Stylus Photo R1900 support, and you want to search for that. Best results come back with an Epson Stylus Photo R1900 support page hosted on Epson.com. Go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down, you want to expand the operating system selection. Select your version of Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and then select Go. And then scrolling down again, select the driver and utility combo package, maybe underneath the driver section. Go ahead and select download for that. And then once it's on your device, go ahead and open up that file to run it. Should be a verified publisher from Epson. Select yes. This file contains the Epson Stylus Photo R1900 driver and utility combo package. Click OK to continue. Select OK, and then proceed with the installer here, getting it configured for your device based on your preferences. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.